how to log out of WhatsApp Business. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp Business application. Once you're in the app, you will get to see all of your chats over here. Now, tap on Settings on the bottom right corner. After that, scroll down and you need to tap on this account option. Once you're here, you will notice the only option is to delete your account. So now, let's go ahead and close the WhatsApp Business application. Then head over to your normal WhatsApp and open the app. So once you're in the app, it will look something like this. Here, you need to tap on Agree and Continue. After that, you need to use the number that you used on your WhatsApp Business. So here, select Continue, and after that, wait for it to connect. And as you can see, the data is now being transferred. Now, type in your name over here and tap on Done. Once it's done, you will be logged into your normal WhatsApp using your WhatsApp Business account number. Now, let's go ahead and open WhatsApp Business again. And as you can see, we're now logged out of WhatsApp Business. So this is the only way you can log out of your WhatsApp Business account. The other way is to completely delete your WhatsApp account from your WhatsApp Business application. So, by following these steps, you can easily log out of your WhatsApp Business.